Hello everybody, today we are test driving 67 plate Insignia, Vauxhall Insignia, which came with DPF problems and a few other issues. We solved the problems and doing a test run with a owner driver. Can you kindly tell me how was your car before and how is it driving now?
Before it was blocked, it wasn't, as responsive when I was pressing on the gas, and now it's just so much quicker. You can just tell that it's clean and working as it should be.
Any engine light?
Nope, no engine light, all good.
All good. One more thing, can you look at the rear view mirror if you see black or white smoke?
Nope, clean as a
smoke.
whistle.
I can see you have a smile on your face. Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Anything you want to say? Any more comment? No?
That I've been to your garage twice, and both times you've been lovely, yourself and Dennis as well. So I would thoroughly recommend anyone to come.
Thank you very much. Excellent. We are specialized on DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx issues, also turbo injectors. We are the master engineers. You can reach me on 07533 636 194 with all the above issues. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more educational videos. Thanks for watching.